Today's collection selection has been in the collection for less than 24 hours. I received this yesterday from my brother-in-law at a family barbecue as it's my birthday gift from him. He always gets me a cool knife, something interesting, something I would never think to get myself, but I'm so glad he's gotten me. And this is no exception. This is the Artisan Cutlery Kinetic-Tool. So it's actually a balisong automatic style knife tool thing. It does not have a sharp blade. It has a blade that has tools in it. So you've got this sort of chiseled tooth pry bar screwdriver. You got these hex slots. You got a little ruler on top. You got that slot for, I'm not sure what, maybe just lightening up the blade. Got a cap lifter, a little ruler, and that's it, right? That's it. Or is it? What is that button just south of the pivot? It turns this into an automatic. So it's an automatic balisong, something you never knew you needed until Artisan Cutlery created it. It's actually quite an ingenious mechanism. So now I switchbladed it open, and now I'm going to close it like that. Now I can't switchblade it open. You have to close it, and then it works. And then if you've opened it like this, say I open it like a balisong, and I have it open and I'm working with it, and then I want to close it, you can actually, here, let me get the lock out of the way, you can actually close it by pressing the button, and it goes back into the handle backwards. So it's kind of a cool thing. I could see where there could be problems with this being sharpened in that last feature I showed you. So let's see. Say it's open. I've opened it as a balisong, and so it's wide like this. The handle's wider. That's one way to tell how you've opened it. And say I want to get it back into the handle by pressing this button. If this blade is sharp, that could be a problem. But or maybe not. I don't know. This thing is a little confusing. It's taken me a little while to get used to it, and but I think it's really cool. So yeah, Artisan Cutlery, nice work on this innovation here, and I hope they do come out with a bladed version of this. I most definitely would get it, just for the cool design factor. There are a number of knives I keep in my collection strictly for their cool design, and this one I think would be a cool one to, a cool theme to explore. Get a couple more of these. It's got this really beautiful handle material, and I haven't even looked up to see what it is, but I find it quite beautiful. It looks like a topographical map. And, so I don't know much about balisongs. I've flipped them for a long time, but I don't really have any good ones. So maybe it's time to start looking into that. All right, there it is, the Artisan Cutlery Kinetic-Tool.